Hello everyone, welcome to my biology classes. So in this video we are going to start with class 3, that is osteocytes. So we have already done the two classes, that is class 1 cyclostomata and class 2 that is chondrichthyes. Okay, so in this class we are going to discuss osteocytes, which are bony fishes, which covers all the bony fishes. In our previous class we did class 2, that was chondrichthyes, which contains only the cartilaginous fishes. Okay, same, it is having a division of that is called Gnathostomata, means which are having jaws. Okay, and falls under subclass species, means the one which are having fins. Okay, is it clear? Now let's see some characteristic features of the class osteocytes. So first point, it is saying they are marine and freshwater. They can be marine also, freshwater also. In both the environment it can be found. Okay, and they are having streamlined body. We have already discussed in my previous class that is streamlined body means what? In the middle it is broader and at the end it is narrower. Is it clear? So they are having a streamlined body. In this picture you can see. Okay, then they are having bony endoskeleton, means what? They are having bones. Okay, therefore they are known as bony fishes. Okay, the previous class chondrichthyes, they were having what? Cartilaginous endoskeleton, but in this class we are getting that they are having bony endoskeleton. Is it clear? They are having 4 pairs of gills with operculum. Operculum is the what? Is the covering that covers the gill slits. So in our previous video we have already discussed about operculum. It was absent in chondrichthyes but it is present in osteocytes. Okay. Now the skin is covered by cycloid scale. They are having cycloid scale. Compare with the previous class, that is chondrichthyes, they were having what scales? They were having placoid scales. Okay, you just have to compare this class osteocytes with the chondrichthyes because, okay, is it clear? Then moving on to the next slide, it is saying they are having two-chambered heart. This was same as that of the chondrichthyes. This is different. They are having air bladder for buoyancy. We have seen in chondrichthyes that there were no air bladder, means they have to swim continuously to avoid sinking. Okay, so but in this case, in case of osteocytes, they do not have to swim continuously. They can take some rest. Okay, so because they are having this air bladder which helps them in buoyancy. Okay. Then the next point, it is saying they are prochlorothermic, means cold-blooded animals. Then moving on to the next slide, it is saying that the sexes are separate. Okay, male female are separate. They are oviparous, means they lay eggs. In case of chondrichthyes, it was what? They were viviparous, means they give birth to young ones. Is it clear? And here you can see external fertilization, but in chondrichthyes it was internal fertilization. Is it clear? Then it is having direct development. So we got many differentiating point between chondrichthyes and osteocytes. Okay, so you can make a note of it. Then moving on to the next slide, these are few examples of osteocytes. The first is the one which are marine, present in the marine habitat. The first is hippocampus, also known as seahorse. This is a picture showing seahorse. Exocytus, that is also known as flying fish. This is the one. Is it clear? Exocytus. Then moving on to the next slide, now we will see some freshwater osteocytes. The first is labio, also known as rohu. Then clarius, also known as magur. Okay, then ketla. So ketla. Okay, this fish we generally prefer in our diet also, so you might be familiar with it, those who are non-vegetarian. Okay, then understanding the examples. So next, the one which we can keep in the aquarium. You can see this in the aquarium also. Beta, that is flying fish. This is the one. Pterophyllum, that is angelfish, this is the one. Okay, so examples you have to know. Is it clear? Okay, then that much for today. Then I'll come up with the class 4 in the next video. So thank you for your patient hearing.